In this video, we're going to look at a multi-stage centrifugal pump. We're going to look at some of the main components of the pump. We're going to look at how it works. We're going to look at some of the design factors associated with this type of pump. And then finally, we'll look at some of the common designs that you're likely to see. The type of pump we're looking at in our example is a barrel type multi-stage pump. Barrel type multi-stage pumps are typically used for high temperature and high pressure applications. Ring section multi-stage pumps are also used for high temperature and high pressure applications, although there are some differences between the two designs. Unlike single stage centrifugal pumps, multi-stage centrifugal pumps do not normally utilize multiple volute casings. Installing multiple volute casings one after the other is impractical due to size consideration. The liquid enters the eye of the impeller and is then thrown outwards radially into the diffuser casing. Once it goes into the diffuser, it is then going to change direction and pass out of the diffuser. The purpose of the impeller is to reduce the velocity and increase the pressure. We're drawing the liquid in here and it is going down into the eye of the impeller. It's going to come in, go into the eye of the impeller, be discharged through the impeller, out of the diffuser, and then it passes into each impeller one after the other. The impeller has a wear ring, and on the outside it has a diffuser. This is the diffuser here. The diffuser is stationary, and the impeller rotates within the diffuser.